as I know, पीछे का जैसे I saw, so about this height it was, the sand. So I think that's where the height would be of the whole city. Why you should don't know about this Christianity as a thing of it. Even when we're looking here,
Which one?
the kitchen side,
Uh,
will this roofing part will be there the whole time? Not the bamboos.
bamboos, yeah.
Oh,
Bamboos are doing something here.
yeah, holding them together. As I am seeing them. Like this, I was seeing the backside and I was like, yeah, we should is also working in there. Just then he saw we should be here working.
Okay, you're saying, acha, we have come so high.
Yeah, it's coming so high. That is what I was. I know how to jump. Who doesn't know how to jump? See, I'm jumping. See, Babu came. Aditi auntie, Babu came. Aditi auntie, can't you listen to me, Babu?
I can, but I don't want to.
Only two entrances.
So, how does it feel to be here?
It feels awesome.
So, where is our veg and non-veg cooking?
Yes. That's in the bag and Auntie, if you want anything, start or something, you can ask somebody from here. That's all. Even if the door is closed, there is all these. I just have a feeling that these tire windows that anybody can climb in and climb out.
Oh, okay. Then the kittens and pets all will be inside.
Yeah, and those jolly ones are chicken.
Chicken, all the pets will come inside.
But auntie, if the kittens with their nails, then.
Okay.
So I think this will be plastered.
It's gonna be plastered.
It's gonna be plastered. But until then also second. Till then they won't come because we wouldn't be cooking here. But if they are when they are out there.
And second thing, because of the voice, they'll get out of here.
Yeah.
What?
Because of the
Voice, loud voice.
Oh, who will get out?
CT.
Oh, acha.
CT, cooker का CT आती है. They'll run away.
Yeah, even this I was thinking that this doorway might become so low when this type of sand will be filled.
Okay. So you're saying how? What is the concern?
First the door is huge.
Acha, that way.
Becomes smaller.
Smaller. Okay.
There, so it's extremely small.
That's what I want to remove. No, that's just for tractor cleaning this dumpster over there. I feel like working. Because I
Feel like working where?
In this kitchen side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you standing, Rupert? We will have this whole area as the cooking area, and there will are cupboards. That's what I'm planning. And this half will be non-veg cooking, half will be veg cooking.
This side serving and all.
This side serving. This
Huge tables.
what?
Daddy gonna come out.
What we can do?
This stage is there, then we can use it for cleaning.
Okay, fine. So Shriram uncle has
Put one here, one
okay. Shriram uncle has expressed nobody touching anything on this, not jumping also. So he said we can come, but not touching because the structure is still coming up. So you want something to jump in the kitchen? No? Okay. What you say?
Structure has come fast.
Structure this time has come fast. Tell Shriram uncle.
Yeah, it came really fast, and even side walls, the outer are a bit bit in there.
I'll tell you why it came fast. Why? Because only that wall fell down there.
This one fell. Yeah, that also fell down.
Yeah, but then still they can also push it up and you don't have to fill more mud, no.
Okay. We made all the 4 walls again. All the 4 walls we have made again.
But so fast they are doing it.
You can't put any screws or anything.
You can't put any screw.
Yeah, because full mud will come up.
Yeah,
When this block will go, then the whole kitchen will come down. So if you keep everywhere hooks and all, then the
Oh,
kitchen
so that
come
will be
down.
our constraint that we can't put hooks here.
Yeah. Otherwise, if you hammer all, like blood comes out, same way sand will come out, and then one bag will get khali totally, then the kitchen will come down this side.
Let's check. Will that really happen? Just check it.
Yeah, one thing, okay? See, rusted wire is there over here. How can people remove this?
What?
From rusted wire runs it and they kept it over here. How can people remove if his hand gets broken by the
Oh, you're saying how these wires are hanging, so how can people move around?
Yes.
Okay.
So from here. It's hard.
From this.
Actually, if we plaster it about this thick, then nails can go in.
And how will
Flash
we?
like this thick.
This thick will be how much approximate? 1 meter, 1 kg, 1 centimeter, 1 gram, 1 milliliter. Approximately 15 centimeter.
10 centimeters.
Oh, approximately. Okay. So we'll see when the plaster is happening. We'll ask. We'll see how is the.
Yeah, but it's so easy for rain to come inside from that window.
You're measuring something, Abhimanyu?
10 centimeters.
Okay.
Will come to here.
Dhruva was saying something about the rain.
This rain can come easily through that window.
Through that window.
If you have
Even through the stairs.
So, any idea for these windows?
Maybe we're gonna keep glass or something. Something to block it.
Something to block.
Some
Okay.
frame or anything.
Okay.
I feel like going on top of this room.
Top of this roof.
I just feel like.
We have to check with Shriram uncle. Is it possible?
I feel like helping and working right now.
Chalo. So let's check Shriram uncle. Does he need?
Could you ask if we can walk?
Shriram. 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 Maga help. Ain help, Drupad? Oh, Ayush, Ain help.
I feel like that mud part.
Oh, mud part. Okay. Shriram, that mud part he's saying you can do.
Oh. Because this roofing, if I fall down, I just have that scare.
Scare, okay.
Not scare, but I just feel that dangerous.
Oh, okay.
I feel like this is there now. This
Huh, huh,
to cover that with little bit,
huh. You want to cover that?
with little bit mud. So
Up you want to cover with
No,
mud?
that part, that.
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand. Drupad.
look, when you're putting another sheet,
Hmm.
this is there, no?
Oh, these holes are there.
I want to cover this.
So, shall we ask Shriram uncle when is he covering?
Yeah.
And then you can. Shriram, ये hole के cover ये मगा help. Plastering के help. Full help. Okay. Huh? Huh? Sinapa? Okay. His uncle is fine. All of you helping in plastering, but not now inside.
But could we ask if we can go on top, right?
Now you ask.
You ask. I don't know. Kind of very nice. देखो मारी इंदा नम्मा केसरू I don't think we can climb on something. Then how is uncle sitting in there? Oh yeah. True point. But they are using ladders and all. Yeah. You can climb on top of the roof. Yeah. Climb on top of the roof or climb on top of this. On top of the roof. We can climb on this. Or it can even be that you climb from here and.
Okay, let's keep our hands off the structure. Thank you.
But these bricks we can do it.
But auntie, we are gonna keep bricks or some in research room we have done on top on the sheets we put the bricks for support.
You're saying the outer layer? That, yeah, we'll see. You want to ask him now or you want to see how he does?
See.
Have you checked Venus? Venus is also with the sheet. Have you checked toilet? It's also done with the same sheet.
What is Venus?
Venus is that for shelter at the gate. Security shelter, sorry.
Like before resource room and pet shelter, we like the sheets flew away.
So after that we have okay. So now go and observe the toilet. Toilet sheets didn't blue, so you can check the toilet.
Because they put some big cement concrete blocks. And
They have put the concrete block.
with cement also.
That's what you wanted to ask Bhavna, or okay?
Auntie, but
Yeah.
how come they're tying so much?
How come they're tying, or why? What is your question? I didn't understand.
How do they tie the binding wires?
Oh.
they might be tying the plier. Or it's easy to move the hand also.
Hey, if you observe the middle bamboo is very thick. Look how thick the middle bamboo is.
Yeah. The center one.
Yeah. Other all are thin.
Thickest.
Maybe this one is very.
This one, the middle one is
so much. So much of chocolates.
Chocolates.
Because all the bamboos are on that. Yeah, all the bamboos are.
Yeah, that's why they need a fattener so that it can take the pressure. But they're hanging from it.
What
They're
hanging?
hanging.
What
The
are they?
bamboos are hanging from the motor one. Center.
They're not exactly hanging. Even the thin ones are hanging. You see, these two center ones are also not fat as the center one.
But why is this half bamboo? It's like a dead bamboo. Look at that wire. Oh, look at drilling machine. Big sheets are.
See, the people up are carrying it up.
Are pulling it up.
Yeah, pulling it up.
And the people down are pushing it.
What? Binuvel. What is that?
Binding wire.
Binding wire. Beka. ये okay, that boundary wall के. So this okay. Sir is going to Hosur na.
रिसोर्स में 2 बंडल है ना?
what resource में 2 बंडल
ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಂಡಲ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಮುಲ್ಕಂದಿ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ
ಅದು ಬೇಕಾ? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್
Binding
thin
wire.
वाला binding.
binding wire हाँ yeah Shriram yeah go there he's going to Hosur he will get it
Auntie, look, you can use this as water streams.
what can I use it as?
Water stream. Can you ask him if we can take this channels? Channels. Huh?
Yeah,
For
in
experiment.
Saravati
And
Valley
that's
we
a
saw like
Can
that.
you ask him?
And in body thing we can use it as balancing.
Can you ask him? We can cut this walls and make it as a huge water channel. Going from our place all the way up to the gate. Hey, Baba, ask him.
That if it is extra, give it to us.
Yeah, if it is extra, can you?
Hey, this can be used as the water tap. You are making treehouse now, you can use it also.
Yeah, but we want to use it as water, no? Hey, Darius, look this one. It's totally deep. We can ask him if we can take that small one. Smaller. This one. I don't want to use for it. Then it will look like this. The place platform.
Sure. Yeah, it's good.
ಅದು ಬಿಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ
I'm telling this one. So many people can cut by themselves and take it.
ಹಾ 2 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾ
Now could you ask him?
Hey, this has holes inside.
ಕವರ್ ಶೀಟ್
No, I'm just telling. See?
But small water. If you put slanting like this, it can be a waterfall. You just put water, it come and jump like this over every single of
and
these.
material for the
Ask him, no? Hey Babu,
But he'll keep it like this because that part is gone, right? It's cut, so we'll keep this part.
hey auntie, we can use it for
30 feet.
kitchen का नहीं kitchen
वो joint
में
का क्या,
only
metal
on top we can use it rain water harvesting के लिए इधर गिर के ऐसे आएगा नीचे then one
हाँ वो लोग लगाते हैं ना घर के बाजू वैसे हाँ
drainages. Hey Babu, ask him, no? Okay, after.
Or we can do something like we can make our own channel. वो tree house वाला tree house के बाद.
what is Drupad's consent to ask to Shriram uncle Drupad
What?
what's your consent to ask him
I feel
Ask him if we can take this also. Auntie, Genie Kids में when you take right and then the straight road, on the right hand side there's one house gate से सिर्फ bamboo से बना and wall and little fencing with that. But it's so we'll have to cut this area.
देखो अच्छा को मारूंगा इसके अंदर अच्छा ये बाबू ask him.
Drupad you were sharing what's your concern
Because if he needs it, then he might shout on us.
oh
That's what once happened to me. One bully fell down by me for the roofing of umbrella, and then he shouted.
oh okay and anytime else so he will not shout at Bhavna
No, he will not. If we ask him, he will not shout.
so then will he shout at you if you're asking
Where is Vishrud?
Hey, Babuna. Ask him.
You try ask.
I don't know Kannada.
You don't need to know Kannada for asking. But I'm not asking.
I know only one word in Kannada.
Where is Vishrud?
Only that I know.
so shall we go or anything else do we have here
Hey, Babu, please, no, ask.
yeah this time Drupad can ask
Yeah, do you know where is Vishrud?
I don't know Kannada, how to speak Kannada.
First you were saying he's shouting. Now you're saying I don't know Kannada. Then you're saying I know one word. So what is that Drupad wants to understand about himself? Oh, I like that.
I tried conveying one time.
Chalo, so shall we go now, Drupad? Chalo, let's move. Anything we have to take from here, we have to ask Shriram uncle. He is the one Who knows what is required, what is not required.
I'll ask him if it is extra, then you we can use it for balancing or to play with. I was thinking of using this as a covered pipe. He told we can take. Can we? Yeah, if it is leftover. Meaning this is leftover. Huh. I just saw that. What was my
Yeah, Drupad, you want to share anything?
Take this one. Seriously, nice word.
Chalo, bye.
Musical instrument.
क्या हुआ?
See this. Many mountains. Put your eye like this, or put the camera. Yeah, many mountains. Leave your hand up, Mani. Look, many mountains. Yeah. There's so many mountains over here. So many. Wait a little more. Yeah, like this we can make. Sorry. Look, and when it's raining,
एक बात बोलना है ये अभी ये बन रहा है ना इसके ऊपर प्लास्टर है आप आगे से लेके अंदर तक
And the stick would always stay inside. And the stick would always stay. So whenever you wanted, let's go. Take only the small ones. They would be non-useful.
What makes you feel they will be non-useful?
Look how long. Look, all these are very long ones they're using. These ones too will come in use for them. Ow!
Oh, this one they can use.
But this they can't use. Look.
Check with Shriram uncle. फिर से फंस गया बेचारा ध्रुपद क्या करे so you
I only knew 2 words. One idea, I can make a pen stand with this. When you put the bamboo fiber is there. No, this was banana tree. No, just banana fiber. They got the banana fiber. Yeah, I'll find some nice one. Then I'll ask you. आंटी आयुष इसमें इधर खुला है इधर ब्लॉक है हाँ पर it's like these parts are blocking. If you take like this only 2 then you can jump and go for it. I was thinking that I do like this. ऐसे यहाँ पे काट के इन दोनों को जॉइन कर लो यहाँ पे काट के इन दोनों को जॉइन कर लो पाइप बन गया. It's serious, this has holes. Small holes. They might have used it for. Okay, let's go. Look at this. I'll ask uncle if I can. He said, whatever you want to take. But you informant take it. The informant take. Then that is easy. Whatever you want to take, then informant take. Then suppose you want this whole kitchen, you carry it and take it. How did I put this way without bending this round? I tell you how. From down they will drill it inside the bamboo. That's it. Oh, then they turn and then they turn it and they make it tight. And then this bamboo is from the. I want this one. Asking me. Let's leave. Wait. Just tell how I'm informing. You asked how Ayush has, no? Oh, how did you ask? You pick. No, what to tell? Uncle. Ask how Ayush has. Uncle. You take. Yes. At this time I just showed it. I took this and this. And I'm gonna use it. Oh! Said he wants. He wants this. You can't take the biggest. I got two. I'm trying to join. I got. Join them. That's a good thing. Don't take that. Don't take that.
Auntie, I have seen one tree house close by my house. There'll be many some tree in the middle. This tree house with bamboos.
And they are cut. I use whenever we want anything. No, we can just come here. Ask the mountain. You take. I will go.
I was just telling Abhimanyu today morning that big tree is here near the kitchen side. I was telling that will be a good tree to make tree house.
Oh, that here.
Huh.
Oh, okay.
I was thinking it's very big and
One pillar. If you take two, one in thin size and one in big size,
it'll go ow. It'll go ow. You do ow.
Hey, wait. I think there's some bamboo fiber. You do looks like that fiber or something. Plastic maybe. You do ow. Hey, Drupad, see, I tell you what I did. You do ow.
There is one problem, but in the bamboo there are small thorns. Like
Yeah, like if you look this one. The skin of it is bigger.
see, these small, even smaller. I'm telling you.
And if wood goes inside, then it's gone.
Let go.
Wait. I want to ask you if I can take this.
Everybody wants to take now.
Now if you go out, then more people will come.
I destroy.
Ask now, just tell uncle. What did you ask? This I want.
What? Namge beku.
Namge means Ninne means you and Nana means I. Namge beku.
Namge is us.
Okay, we.
I told you. It's okay, anyways, you got it.
Now we